Newly designed ventilator. This is the manual ventilator which pumps air in and out inside the lungs of human. Well, this is the mechanisms that compresses the balloon. This is the motor. This is the discs that convert the circular motion into linear motion, as shown below. Circular motion to linear motion. Well, this is the shaft that compresses the balloon and releases it to generate air. This is the carbon dioxide intake. There is filter in it, and this is the oxygen outlet. Well, this is the carbon dioxide outlet. So this is the voltmeter. This is the voltmeter. This is the voltmeter. This is the voltmeter. This is the control. This is the speed increasing point. This is the battery, and also this is the charging point. It is automatic. We use this pump because it is recommended for us in the hospital. And this is the oxygen max. Let's have a test on it.
Stick it again.
Can you hear the sound of air? Okay. Then we can have control. We can regulate the quantity of air. The quantity of air is determined by the demand of oxygen from the patient. So thank you for listening.